Hi, I'm Alan from Gochu and you are here at Aquatiz. So they specialize in smart home toilets. So usually our home renovation, back in my days, about maybe 5 or 10 years ago, so we always have this conventional toilet. But recently, smart toilet has been the rage. So I'm here, we're gonna check out the owner and see what kind of models he's gonna introduce me. Okay, let's go. Hi, Lucas.
Hello.
Thanks for having me here.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm here because I heard you guys specialize in smart home toilets.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so is smart toilets now the rage or is it popular now?
Smart toilets right now are actually increasing in trend because actually more people in Singapore, they do have higher spending power.
Right.
So we are definitely going towards the direction of certain countries like Korea and Japan,
Right.
where smart toilets are actually just everywhere.
Yes.
Correct.
The first time I actually encountered a smart toilet is in Japan.
Yeah,
Tokyo.
correct.
I was so amazed by it.
Yeah, correct. So I think there are many smart home solutions that are actually popping up in Singapore, and I feel that they should also use this, to promote their trend for those smart homes.
Yeah, like because I know homeowners now when doing renovations, they are basically turning their whole house to a smart home.
Yes.
And I would guess that will include toilets.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So definitely for my next reno, I'm gonna use this.
Alright.
But there are so many options, so can you introduce?
I'll just give a brief introduction.
Right.
So you can see over here, we actually do have the floor-mounted models, and at this side over here is all the wall-mounted models.
Oh, okay. So usually most will do.
Most commonly in Singapore will be actually floor-mounted because it does incur extra cost to build up a wall to cover the system behind the toilet. Yes, alright. So we'll just mainly talk about the floor one today because I feel it's the most popular, of course. Our prices actually start from 488 and it goes up from there.
488 only.
Yes, 488. So we do want to price ourselves as affordable because we want users to actually feel that, oh, why should I actually buy a normal toilet bowl when the price of their smart toilet is around the same as a normal toilet bowl. So,
precisely.
if it's so affordable, then why would I not just get a smart toilet instead?
Right.
Yeah.
Is it only recently the price has gone down, or because in my understanding, last time when we want to do smart home, it's quite pricey.
Yeah. So we came into the market trying to be affordable for everyone. I feel that's what actually sets us apart from the rest of our competitors, and of course all our products are PUB approved, and that's the most important as well. So affordability and the approval of the PUB certificate, I feel that's why our users actually trust us more as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why should we go for smart home toilet? Are there some amazing features?
Alright, all our toilets here, you see they actually come with a label, alright? So you can see on this label that it states out all the functions here.
Right.
So more or less our toilets actually do have similar functions and it's controlled through a remote. So basically for this toilet, this is our most standard, most popular model, and it comes with the auto opening closing of the seat, paired with the auto flush. So once you're done with your business, you stand up, it just flushes by itself and then it will close. Other features also include those on the remote control. So you see here, it comes with the dryer. This is like once you're done washing, there's an inbuilt dryer for you to dry up.
To dry your backside?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So dryer, you also have the movable bidet. So the bidet will actually move up and down as well. Then the front wash is more for ladies. Yeah, correct. There's 5 different settings. So 5 different settings for you to actually choose from, and you can move it up and down from these buttons over here. So different pressures you can adjust according to your own liking. Water temperature and heated seat is also included in this model as well. Yes, correct. Along with an inbuilt nightlight. So let's say I off all the lights here right now, the nightlight will just turn on. So
the nightlight is fixed?
Yes, so it's actually fixed inside the bowl.
Inside the bowl?
Yes, alright. So full flush and half flush buttons are also found here. There's actually an inbuilt tank inside this toilet. Actually behind here, inside here. Alright, so during power outages, although it might not happen frequently, but in case of such situations, we can still do a manual flushing as well. So this is what sets us apart from other brands, because other brands, like once there's no more electricity, you're not able to flush. So that covers most of the functions I believe that Singaporeans actually need in their toilet. Yes.
I think that's pretty good enough. So in terms of hygiene and everything, if you want to wash,
So washing is definitely a must for everyone. So washing wise, there's not much difference from washing a regular toilet bowl. You do it, with your whatever solution or whatever agent that you want to use. And of course, this is water resistant. So we do need to have an electrical point in the toilet. Yeah, correct. So usually we just get an electrician, a certified electrician, most importantly, to do up an electrical point somewhere in the toilet. And then we just run the wire to the point. Yeah, so it's just a standard 13 amp plug. So it doesn't really consume that much electricity.
Oh, okay. So I think it's very safe.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
Okay, so at a point where maybe doing a business, there's
You won't suddenly get electrocuted. Yeah.
Okay. So this tier is how much?
Currently, this tier starts at $2,000.
$2,000.
Yeah.
Including installation?
We don't include installation because some people, they might actually have their own in-house ID which offers installing. So we advise our customers to go with their own installer if they do have.
Great. I think I have much more knowledge now. I can't go Japan all the time. I can bring Japan to my toilet.
Correct. I agree.
Yeah, so if you guys are going through renovation, going to, so if you're looking for smart toilets, I think you can go to Lucas from Aquatiz. This is the boss.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys.
Bye.